Hello children, let us continue with the question. We'll repeat this question once again before moving on to the next question. The timetable shows the television programs one morning. Gemma turns the television on at 7:45 a.m. How long does she have to wait for the weather program? What time does she switch on the TV? She switches on at 7:45. So how long does she have to wait for the weather program? What time does the weather program start? 7:55. So difference between 7:55 and 7:45 will give you the time that she has to wait. TV on ചെയ്തിട്ട് program തുടങ്ങുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് എത്ര മിനിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. 7:45. So 5 minus 5 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. 7 minus 7 is 0. So she has to wait 10 minutes before weather program starts. The travel program lasts 10 minutes. What time does it finish? So if we know the start time and the time interval, we can find the end time. What time does it start? It starts at 8:45. How long does it take to finish the program? How long does that program last? It lasts 10 minutes. So 8:45 in the start ചെയ്തിട്ട് 10 minutes കഴിഞ്ഞാലും what's the time? It's 8:55. Right. So the program finishes at 8:55. Oh, start time അറിയാം. Time duration അറിയാം. So we can find the end time. ഇനി end time അറിയാം. End time or start time or we can find the time interval. Now if we know the start time and time interval, we can find the end time. If we know the end time and time interval, we can find the start time. For ഏതെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് time അറിഞ്ഞാൽ we can find the other time. That is, how do you find the end time? ET എന്നുള്ളത് end time എഴുതാം. Okay. How do you find the end time? It is start time plus time duration. Start time plus time duration. Or time interval. Time interval എങ്ങനെ find ചെയ്യാം? End time minus start time. Like, how do you find the start time? Start time find ചെയ്യാൻ end time minus time interval അല്ലെങ്കിൽ time duration find ചെയ്താൽ. So if we know 2 ഏതെങ്കിലും രണ്ടെണ്ണം അറിഞ്ഞാൽ we can find the third. So moving forward, use the bus timetable to answer the questions that follow. So 3 stations are given. 3 bus stations തന്നിട്ട് different times തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓരോ സ്റ്റേഷനിലും സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് ടൈംസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. How long does it take to travel from Old Castle to Didlington? So Old Castle ഏത് ടൈമിലാണ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണത്? ഡിഡ്ലിംഗ്ടൺ സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ ഏത് ടൈമിലാണ് റീച്ച് ചെയ്യണത് എന്ന് നോക്കുക. സോ റീച്ച് ചെയ്യണ ടൈം യു ക്യാൻ ടേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് as end time. This is start time. So how long does it take? എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ time interval or time duration. How do you find time interval? Find ചെയ്യാൻ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? Time interval find ചെയ്യാൻ end time minus start time. So Didlington station you can take any of these times. Okay, just എല്ലാം equal durations ആണ്. So you can take any of the times. So end time we'll take it as 11:22. 11:22 end time ആണ്. Start time Old Castle station എത്ര മണിക്കാ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണത്? You can see it starts at 11:10. ഇത് തമ്മിലുള്ള time duration എത്രയാണ്? 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 11 minus 11 is 0. So 12 minutes. you can find either nokialum, you will see it is 12 minutes. Here you can see 7:53 ki start ചെയ്തിട്ട് 8:05 ന് reach ചെയ്തു. We can use a timeline. 7:53 തൊട്ടിട്ട് 7:55 വരെ 2 minutes. 7:55 to 8 is 5 minutes. 8 to 8:05 is another 5 minutes. Either 5 minutes, either 5 minutes, either 2 minutes. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So the total time is 12 minutes. You can use any of these methods to find the time. How long does it take to travel from Oldcastle to Lenford? So here again we have to find the time duration. End cheyanathu Lenfordilana, start cheyanathu Oldcastle lana. So edengilum oru time edukka. We'll take this time. Lenfordil ettanathu 15:48 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ the only thing to note is corresponding time at Oldcastle ആണ് consider ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. Okay, the bus starts from Oldcastle at 15:13. 15:13 start ചെയ്ത ബസ് 15:48 Lenfordil reach ചെയ്തു. So if you find the time interval between these two stations, you will know how long it takes to travel. Like, രണ്ട് stations, start time find here, end time find here. രണ്ടും തമ്മിലുള്ള difference find ചെയ്താൽ you will be able to find how long it takes to travel. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. 15 minus 15 is 0. So it takes 35 minutes. Let's see it the other way as well. 15:13 is start idu. 15:15 vere 2 minutes. 15:20 vere 5 minutes. Then 15:40 vere another 20 minutes. Then 8 minutes. 15:40 തൊട്ടിട്ട് this is from 15:13 to 15:15, 2 minutes. Now 15:15 to 15:20, 5 minutes. 15:20 to 15:40, 20 minutes. Now 15:40 to 15:48, 8 minutes. So total at the time on 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 20 is 27 plus 8, 35. So it takes a total of 35 minutes. I'm showing two different methods. You can use clock varachittu time find cheyanathu. Even that method you can use. What is the latest bus you can catch in Oldcastle if you want to be in Diddlington by 3:30 p.m. അതായത് 3:30 p.m. ആവുമ്പോഴേക്കും ഈ സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ റീച്ച് ചെയ്യണം എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ which bus do you have to take എന്നാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. You have to reach the station by 3:30. അപ്പൊ 3:30ക്ക് മുമ്പേ ഏത് ബസ്സാണ് ഈ സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ റീച്ച് ചെയ്യണത് എന്ന് നോക്കുക. So you have to find what time that bus starts from Oldcastle. So 3:30 in vanale, here you can see it is all 24-hour clock. Like 3:30 in vanale time etrayana 15:30. So you have to look for a bus that reaches Diddlington station before 3:30. So let us look at the bus timings. Diddlington station il ethana bus timings nokka. 7:21, 8:05, 11:22, 13:24, 15:25, 18:16 and 19:22. So 15:30 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ടൈംസിൽ റീച്ച് ചെയ്യണ ബസ്സസ് നമുക്ക് ക്യാച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. So 15:30 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് you can see these two times, like 18:16, 19:22, it comes after 15:30. So we cannot take these buses. So we'll not consider these buses. പിന്നെ ഉള്ളത് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? 7:21, 8:05, 11:22, 13:24, 15:25. If we take any of these buses, we reach Diddlington station by 3:30. But what is the latest bus എന്നാണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഏറ്റവും ലാസ്റ്റ് 15:30 3:30ക്ക് മുമ്പേ ഇവിടെ എത്തണ ഏറ്റവും latest bus ഏതാണ്? You can see if you take there's a bus that reaches Didlington station at 15:25. Like, what time does it start at Old Castle? It starts at 15:30. So we can take this bus. If we take this bus, we'll reach the station before 3:30. So the bus that we have to take is 15:13 bus. Old Castle na 15:13. That is 3:13 start cheyana bus. 3:13 Old Castle na start cheyana bus. We can take the bus that starts at 15:13. So I hope this question is clear. Now moving forward, here is a timetable for class 4 on Tuesday. This was given as a homework. Some of you had not got, some of you had made mistakes. So that is why I am repeating it here. Here is a timetable for class 4 on Tuesday. How long does assembly last? For assembly, etra time aana assembly. So you have to find the start time. You have to find the end time. Assembly the start time find here, end time find here, രണ്ടും തമ്മിലുള്ള difference find here. What time does the assembly start? Assembly starts at 9:15. It ends at 9:35. Assembly the start time 9:15 ആണ്, end time 9:35 ആണ്. So what is the time difference? എത്ര time ഉണ്ട് assembly? Difference between 9:35 and 9:15. So 9:15 start ചെയ്തു, 9:25 is 10 minutes, 9:35 is another 10 minutes. So 10 plus 10, 20 minutes. Either 9:15, this is 9:25, which is 10 minutes. Then 9:25 to 9:35, another 10 minutes. So together 20 minutes. So how long does the assembly last? Assembly lasts for 20 minutes. എങ്ങനെ കിട്ടിയത്? സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ടൈം ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്തു, എൻഡ് ടൈം ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്തു, സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ടൈമും എൻഡ് ടൈമും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ് ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്തു. ദാറ്റ് വിൽ ഗിവ് യു ഹൗ ലോങ് ദി അസംബ്ലി ലാസ്റ്റ്. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് 20 minutes. How long does morning break last? For this again you have to find the start time of the break, end time of the break. 10:35 ന് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തു, 10:50ക്ക് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ഫിനിഷ് ആയി അല്ലേ? 10:35 to 10:40 is 5 minutes. Now 10:40 to 10:50 is 10 minutes. Either 5 minutes. This is 10:40. Next is 10 minutes, 10:50. So total എത്രയാണ്? 5 plus 10, 15 minutes. The break lasts for 15 minutes. Hassan's favorite lessons are maths and science. How long is spent in total in these two lessons? So you have to find for how much time the maths class lasts, how much time is the science class. When you find the sum of these, you will get the total time. 10:50 ki start the maths lesson, end 11:50. That is 1 hour. Now science lesson. Science lesson starts at 13:30. That is 1:30. Ends at 2:30. 14:30. That is again 1 hour. So 1 hour plus 1 hour, a total of 2 hours. So 2 hours is spent on maths and science lessons. So I hope this is clear. Please watch the video, children. In case if you have any doubts, please do post it in the stream. With that, I'll stop my today's session, children. Thank you and take care.